What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If this is your very first time joining me, my name is Jessica. I'm a mother as well as a makeup lover, of course. For today's look, this is giving me winter dreamlands. My goal here was a blue smoky eye, so that's exactly what I did. This is the final palette in my little series that I started with you guys, showing you guys palettes that I received last year that you have not seen me use yet. That does not mean I haven't used them. I just haven't done them on YouTube. But this is the last palette. I am all caught up on all of my new palettes. So let me know if there's any palettes that you know that I have in my collection that you would like to see me use again. Give me a little bit of inspo. But today we have the Nomad Cosmetic Polar Express palette. They just killed it last year. They killed it. And then the first palette, was it the first? It's like the first or second palette that they launched this year. Killing the game. Nomad Cosmetic kills the game. I can't with them because look at her. She is stunning. I feel like they do a really good job about matching their outside packaging to the colors that you're going to see on the inside. And that's like a big pet peeve of mine, is that they'll come out, like some brands will come out with such awesome, amazing packaging, and then the inside colors don't match the theme. Like, that's trash. I don't like that. But Nomad, really, they do it every time. Like, you see the outer packaging, it's really like a sneak peek of what you're gonna see inside, and I appreciate that. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing my eyes and my base in this video because the eyes genuinely took me like 10 minutes because Nomad formula blends like an absolute dream. So beginner friendly in my personal opinion. So yeah, this is a look that I created, and if you are curious about the products I use to achieve this makeup, you're definitely going to want to keep on watching. And of course, don't forget to stay tuned until the very end of the video where I'll do a close of my makeup look for you guys. That way you can see the true beauty of the blend. And let's go ahead and jump right on in. I'm thinking like blue and like silver. So with that theme in mind, I'm thinking this Maybe Mitchell color case with like the grays in it, because there's like some like blue tone grays in here. So I think I'm going to start with this one. This is the shade Hinting right here. And I'm going to take a brush. And I only carved up my brows, and then I just kind of dragged down whatever was left of my PLouise base, because I am going with like this cream. I don't want to put too much product. I am going to just lay this down all over. So my kind of thought process here is like I want to do kind of like a blue smoky eye, like a blue gray toned smoky eye. We'll see if that's what happens, but that's the idea. Just lay down this cream and then take a clean brush to buff it out. Just like that. Perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna take the blues. I'm just gonna take all three of the blues. Starting with the shade Frozen Sea. I'm taking this on a fluffy blending brush. I think I'm gonna cover like probably most of my lid with this dark shade here. I don't think I've ever done like a blue smoky eye before. I want to put a nice light shimmer in this area here, so I'm not gonna take it all the way in. Just something like this for now. Dust this brush off. This is a Elena Badrow brush. Probably got this back when I was getting boxy charms. And then the next shade, Desert of Ice. I have not used this shade. It looks untouched. And I'll go ahead and blend that out. I took another fluffy brush with North Pole, and I don't think I'm going to take that on the inner corner. I think I'm just going to put white there. So we'll just blend the outer corner with this. Look at how effortless that those blended. Yeah. Then I'm going to take the shade Snowy Mountain.
When I was going through my tools.
So I'm just taking that white and just sitting it all in this inner corner. And I'll use a little bit of that to blend this edge here. I'm going to go back in with the color case, and I'm going to take some of the black. And I'm going to stamp this across my waterline, my lash line. Okay, and then I'm just going to take I'm just going to take the same blue and just kind of smoke that black out. So this is the silver and this is the white. And I think I want to take this shade, Polar Express, because it's blue and purple. I want to put that right here. And then probably the white. Yeah. I was thinking of using the silver, but I think I want to take this Unearthly Don't Be Jelly palette. And this one has nice purple blue shift. I did this eye. And I applied some nice fluffy lashes. I believe this was a creator that I've seen on TikTok with these lashes, but like literally they have no sticker, so just some nice fluffy lashes. It's been a while since I wore some Big Daddy lashes like this. I'm gonna start by taking the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. Today I wanted to use the TooFaced Born This Way foundation. This one's in the shade Swan. This is definitely like a thicker foundation, so I really like to kind of blend it a little. That way I don't use like too much product. Just cover all the bases. Usually I'll do my cream contour first, but today I'm actually going to do concealer. So this is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I'm going to go ahead and clean up this eyeshadow a little bit as well. Just make sure it's nice and sharp. It's actually been a really long time since I've done my concealer before like my cream products. Like my blush, my contour, you know? Okay, we're just gonna let her set. I'm gonna go in with the Pink Honey BFF face frosting. I'm gonna take on this little e.l.f. brush as well. I feel like with the blue, the warmth really just kind of brought everything to life. Can't forget some nose contour. I'll take the contour cake. Yeah, that looks good. I wanted to take this Pink Honey popsicle paint. This is by with their collaboration with Cariad. This one's in hot pink. And I just thought this would look so good with the blue. And if I'm delusional, lie to me anyways. No, looks good with the blue. Yes, it is. Back in with the sponge. I'll go ahead and blend like just the concealer and the blush together. And then immediately after I'm done blending, I'm going to go in with the KimChi Puff Puff Pass Setting Powder. I think I did a really good shade match. I used the LA Girl pigments with my Too Faced foundation. And now that I'm setting it, it's not like changing colors. So I think I did a really good job doing that one up today. Love that for me. I'm gonna grab a little bit more of this powder to bake under my eyes. For my powder blush today, I'm going to be taking the Pink Honey Cariad Smoothing Sugar Powder. So we have this like hot pink and then this like lighter pink. I figured if I mix those together, I would get like a good shade. So let's find out. Yeah, that's stunning. Yeah, I just mix those shades right up together and that's perfect. This definitely calls for an updo as well. I'm thinking of taking this Michaela's Glam Light Pot 2 highlighter and this like kind of purpley blue one here. Oh no. my Kaleidos. I have this Kaleidos highlighter, which just, the lid just came off of it. This one's in the shade Moon Cruiser. Is this the purple one? Yep, that's the purple one. And I just broke it. I have to fix that. Let's see. Skywalker. Here it is. Now you might be saying to yourself, do you really need that much highlighter? And the answer is yes. Yes, you do. Here we have the completed look. So for my lip combo, I went in with this PLouise Lip Liner in the shade Sweeten Me Up. And then I went in with this Makeup Revolution lipstick in the shade Queen Pink. And then I just went in with this Covergirl Yummy Gloss. These smell so good. Oh my god. This one's Coconuts About You. See, I was getting kind of hints of something, and I wasn't sure what it was. Coconuts, that sounds very accurate, actually. Okay. So, very, very happy with that. Yeah. I love this look. I like the pink, like the super pink cheeks. What do you guys think? I feel like kind of all blush kind of looks really the same once it's on the face. So, like, tones really, I mean, they do make all of the difference with the makeup looks, but I feel like from this one, I'm sure you guys are like, it looks like blush bitch. So, yeah. I did, like, a couple of, like, faux freckles because my freckles were, like, kind of shining through, which I thought would look so good with this. So when we do the up close and you see how terrible my fake freckles look, don't come for me, okay? Like, I do have, like, real for life freckles, but for some reason I just can't do the faux freckles. Like, I don't know. It's just not my vibe, I guess. I can't do it good. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, this is my second time using the Nomad Cosmetic Polar Express palette. We all know at this point I love Nomad Cosmetics. This one is so pretty. It's definitely like the Christmassy vibes, which is when we did get this, was in December. I'll of course be using this again. She is not going anywhere in my collection. And I'm actually really excited because now we are all caught up. You guys know all of the palettes that I have at this point. Unless like I get a new one. We'll see. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Definitely don't forget to like and subscribe if you like me and if you like my content. Without further ado, we're going to go right ahead. Roll the clip.